Today I am making stuffed chicken breast. And I'm going to use 1 block of cream cheese. And I'm just going to do 3 breasts today in this video. I'm going to use some scallions, bacon, pre-cooked. I cooked that yesterday. And then I'm going to add some mozzarella cheese and some Colby Jack cheese. And I'm going to use lemon pepper flavoring. I went through my flavorings and I'm like, I have a taste for this more than anything else. So I'm going to add some black pepper and top it off with paprika so it will brown nicely, and garnish it with some parsley, dried parsley and scallions. And then for some acid, I'll add hot sauce. I always add a slight acid, something acidic in it. Okay, so I'm just going to smash down and soften my cream cheese. You can do this in a food processor, to really get a good blend. And then I'm going to let that soften up a minute. And I'm going to cut these. I stick these, you see these roots here, and I regrow my scallions. So you just put these in some moist dirt, moist soil, potting in a pot, and they'll regrow. So then I'm going to use the rest in the recipe. I hope you guys are doing well today. And this is a nice meal. And it's gourmet, it's upscale. You get these in some restaurants, man, you get this and a side and a drink, you come out of there $150. Here, we'll probably get these done about $10. And like some people use, spinach. Spinach has a lot of oxalates in there, so I don't do spinach anymore. But if you always have green onions around, you use your green onions. Just smash it in there. We add the cheese. Add some mozzarella. About a half cup. A half cup of the Colby. And this is how I make my cheese balls too. Same recipe. And incorporate everything. Let's see, I'm going to do 3 slices of bacon. And I'm just going to break it down. Cutting board is moving. That's okay. Break it down. Just break it down. Break it down as finely as you want. I wanted mine kind of fine. And I took you guys out of step because normally I will have my chicken already seasoned and just waiting on me to finish the prep. Okay, so we have that. Let me rinse off the chicken again. I squeezed a lemon on it and just gave it a nice rinse. Okay. And I'm just wiping it dry. Paper towel. Okay, so here are the chicken breasts. Let's get this up here. Let me go on and throw this. Dealing with poultry, keep your hands washed in between, in between your tasks. Okay, so I take the breast, clean it really well, and make a pocket. Take your knife, make a nice pocket, because this is where we're going to stuff our filling. Right here as well. Okay. And don't go all the way, make sure there's a nice little margin. You don't cut it in half, just make a pocket. I'm going to season it. Season the inside with our lemon pepper seasoning. And use your favorite seasoning. What's so fun about this is that you can just, each time you can make it different. You can do Creole seasoning, you can do barbecue. Get some barbecue rub on here and just whatever. But season it well. Me, I'm low sodium. There's salt in here, so I have to use it sparingly. Okay, that's nice there. Make sure it's all covered. All inside good. Okay, and then I'll put some paprika on the presentation side so it will brown nicely. It smells wonderful, guys. So this round we're doing lemon pepper stuffed chicken breast. Okay. Okay, family, I'm stuffing the chicken breast and I'm going to cook them upright like this time. Sometimes, you can cook them on their side and then you have to put toothpicks in them. I'm going to cook them like this. That's how they do a lot of the fish if you stuff a flounder or something like that. So take it like this. We have our pocket. And I'm going to put the filling in the pocket. Go on and stuff it. Let it sit up flatly like that. And now I've cross-contaminated this filling, so I'm going to have to use it all because I've used that spoon and it touched the chicken. So we're going to finish up all of the filling, which is so delicious. Put the rest of it over here. Just spread it. You have to use all of your filling. If it touches the chicken, it's cross-contaminated, use it all. And you can kind of shape it. Okay. My hands are clean. I'm constantly washing my hands. Do not taste this raw chicken. I did all the tasting before I have to start handling the poultry. So now I'm washing my hands again. I have to wash my hands before I even touch the camera. And then I have to wash them again. Okay, so that is our 3 stuffed chicken breasts, lemon pepper. All right, so we're going to go on over to the stove. Okay, I have a pat of butter in a cast iron skillet, and we're going to place our chicken in here. And get a nice sear on it. And while that's browning, I have the oven heated to 350. So I'm going to put it in the oven and it's going to cook all the way through. So while we're doing that, I'm going to clean up the kitchen and we'll be right back. Okay, family, I browned the stuffed chicken breasts in the cast iron skillet on all sides. We're going to bake it upright like this. I'm going to go into the oven. It's 350 at a 350 degree oven. I'm going to put it on the bottom rack, and when the internal temperature is 165, it's good to go. Okay. And you know, since chicken breasts don't have much fat in them, that's what makes that cream cheese nice. It's going to provide a lot of moisture. And there's bacon in there, and there's cheese. So we're going to go on and let that bake, and I'll be back. Still cleaning up this kitchen. Okay, family. Here what the stuffed chicken breasts look like. after about 20 minutes. I brown them on each side and I'm cooking them upright. And when it starts to cook, the protein will start wrapping itself around that filling. They're not done yet. So it's going to take for it to get up to 165 degrees minimum. It might take 30 minutes because these things are stuffed and you have to make sure they're totally cooked. I put some Brussels sprouts in there. They're delicious. I'm going to roast them in there with the chicken breast. And this is how it's done. So I'm going to put it back in. And let it get up to temp. Okay, family. This is the smallest one. This one's done. I'm gonna go on and get that. Let's see. Clean off any. Get a few of these Brussels sprouts. This is a gourmet meal. Stick that back in there. I'm going to eat all of these Brussels sprouts. This is the first thing I'm eating today. I'm ready to eat. That filling tastes so good. So I'm going to put this back in. Okay, so let's slice it up. Okay. See how the stuffing's still in there? You see the bacon and the scallions. And then I'm going to eat this side. The chicken's cooked all the way through. Piping hot. Okay, family, this is absolutely exquisite. This is great for a dinner party. Have salads and, fresh fruit and stuff like this. And this is a way you can eat tastefully for less. This is no less fancy than what you would buy out anywhere. And we probably did this. You have 3 meals for like under $10. This is absolutely great. So don't let layoffs or the fact that you're in retirement or you're on a budget make you think that you can't live and eat tastefully for less. You can. And this is what this channel is all about. So I want to thank you for stopping by. And if you like my vibe, hit subscribe and join the Tastemakers. And we're going to thrive in 25. Don't give up.